I'm down in the boiler room of this old school where the fire alarm control panel is housed. This is an Autocall panel circa 1940. It is a much earlier model than the other Autocall panels shown in my previous videos. The first thing you'll notice are the supervisory bells, and there's two of them here. They're also called trouble bells. The trouble bell here on the right side of the panel supervises the power going to the panel. If for some reason there's an interruption to the electrical power, this bell will ring and its corresponding red light will come on. The trouble bell over here on the left side of the panel comes on when the system is in actuation mode or the fire alarm system has been activated. It also supervises all the circuits and electrical components that you see here on the panel. If anything goes wrong with the electrical circuits or components, this bell will ring, warning that something is wrong in the system. You'll notice that these bells are not the typical 4-inch round bells that are used on the panels made in the 1950s and the 1960s. These are actually cowbells. And they do sound like cowbells too, and I'll activate one here so you can hear it. Here is the meter for checking the electrical current that's going through the system. You'll also notice that there's two balancing resistors here, and these balancing resistors are for the signaling devices, which can either be bells or horns. In this particular building, horns were used. You have, looks like we've got 4 relays here, these two and these two here. And lastly is the code motor that's down here in the lower right hand corner. And I'm going to get a little bit closer so you can see actually what this looks like. Here's a closer look at the code motor. And over to the side here is the code wheel. And as you can see, there are 4 sets of 4, which indicates that this is a cadence marching code wheel. So I'm going to go ahead and go out into the hallway and activate one of the pull stations so you can see how this control panel operates when it is in actuation mode.